In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload tickets on Stubhub in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Stubhub website or app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the sell option and click or tap it to begin creating your ticket listing. This is where you'll start the selling process and tell Stubhub exactly what tickets you want to post. Next, search for your event. Be careful here and make sure you choose the correct event, along with the right date and venue, because even a small mistake can create problems later. After selecting the correct event, enter your ticket details. This includes the number of tickets you're selling, the section, the row, and the seat numbers if they apply to your tickets. Once those details are filled in, set your selling price. Take a moment here to double check everything, since accurate listing information helps avoid issues after the tickets sell. After that, choose the delivery method requested by Stubhub. Depending on the event, you may see options like mobile transfer, mobile ticket, PDF upload, or another supported electronic delivery method. The option you see will depend on how the original ticket issuer provides the tickets, so it's important to select the method that matches your actual ticket format. If your listing requires a file upload, click Upload Tickets. Then select the ticket file from your device, such as a PDF or another supported file type. Wait for the upload to fully finish before moving on. Once it completes, verify that the tickets were successfully attached to your listing. That confirmation is important because it lets you know the upload was accepted correctly. Keep in mind that many events now use mobile transfer instead of direct file uploads. In that case, you usually won't upload the tickets right away. Instead, if the tickets sell, you'll transfer them to the buyer later, using the original ticket provider, such as the platform where the tickets were first issued. Before publishing, review all of your listing details carefully. Make sure the event, seat information, pricing, and delivery method are all correct. You should also confirm your payout information so Stubhub can send your payment properly after the sale. When everything looks good, click List Tickets to publish your listing. Finally, after your tickets sell, Stubhub will send you delivery instructions. If your listing requires a mobile transfer, sign in to the